And din yung trabaho ni Tammy, update.
Party lipstick? What's that? I go away, you get your party lipstick out. Huh? Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! Nabalitaan namin, guys, na may bagyaw. May bagyong darating. I mean, bagyo ba yun? Storm, malakas na storm, serious, you know. Maglandfall mamaya doon sa New York City. So, which is part na yun si Tammy sa isang bahay. Mag-pancake nga tayo, guys. Mag-pancake. Let's see yung ano natin, pancake powder. Okay pa ba? Hindi siya dito pwede kasi ano, hindi pa to open. Open yan. Dalawa. Tapusin natin ito. Hopefully, okay pa sila, guys. Kasi, and also, guys, kaya, iwan na naman tayo ni Tammy. Nag-alala siya dahil sa storm at saka yung baha. 2 inches kahapon. Ngayon daw, 7 inches yung tubig. So, parang hindi ata makaya ng ano, ng pump. Kasi may mga pump doon sa basement. So, hindi ko alam kung ano mga yanyari. Pero yun. Nothing. What do you want with this? This right? Okay. I think that's good. Yeah, it will be raining over and over
8
again.
o'clock at night? No, you're not getting a lot of rain. Thunderstorms at 8 o'clock at night, 0.05 inches at Sunday. So you're getting, you know, they indicated
So
that we're
tomorrow
getting-
is raining too?
Yes, and Sunday. The whole weekend's going to be a washout. It's going to be not nice days. You're going to get thunderstorms. You're going to get very little. Sunday you're going to get like some spots of rain, but only in the morning and then like in the middle of the afternoon.
Tommy is leaving me again because it's stormy. The problem over there in New Rochelle is the water is high. And in the basement. It rained there yesterday, no? It did. So it's wet already, the ground.
It's rained a couple days this week. Not enough to be a problem, but it's like a sponge, a wet sponge. Can't put more water in it.
Yeah.
So the ground becomes like that. But even if the ground was bone dry, it would never make it through this rain. Yes, because the house sucks it in.
He paid a lot of money with that 20, I remember 21,000 to dig in, but they don't even do nothing.
5,000, it did nothing. Wow.
No, 5,000. It was 2100.
So it was 25 to do the side.
Out is that 25 total? That was so expensive, like $1 million something in the Philippines. They dig the ground and they should be sealed. To seal it, they don't do nothing. No, they just dig in and that's it.
No, they put stuff on the wall and stuff.
Yeah, you don't even check it.
Of course I checked it.
That was a lot of money. I remember really. And we paid like half, write a check when they start, and then when they end, fully paid. And Tammy did it. Okay, si Tammy yung nagbabayad. And then, hindi nakita, yung pera hindi nakabalik. Hindi man yan talaga, he never expected that money will be babalik sa kanya kasi alam talaga niya yung roofing ng bahay, yung mga lahat ng mga ano sa bahay, in-expect niya hindi na yun babalik. So, goodbye Philippines. Goodbye Philippines. Pero, nung ando na ako, yung pinaka-nasayangan talaga ako is yung ano, yung nag-hire sila kasi always leaking, always flooding talaga sa basement. So, yung nasasayangan ako is yung sa gilid ng bahay na nagbayad sila ng, I thought it was 21 but I guess it was $25,000. So, that was like over $1 million, I think. It's there, right? Over $1 million pesos. So, yun. And I remember I planted posiwilos. It's so nice and blooming. They cut it over. They throw it out. I told them to put it back. Cut it. Oh, digged it. Put it back. But no, they never put it back. That's a fail. And also, dig the whole around backyard. And then seal the whole thing. They just sealed that line. After they're doing it, it rains for a few days. It's flood. And we cannot even see anything. That's the problem. That's a problem about Tommy too. He won't go back and tell them la la la. The only thing that Tommy is spent in that house that it's worth it is the painting. Tommy hire a paint the whole house because that house is green and white. Okay, it's so ugly looking. Green and white. The trim is green, the whole house is white, and then all the windows like that, and the wall and the door like that. The trim like the house, it's green and white. And then me and mom decide to do it gray and purple, gray and burgundy, dark gray and burgundy. Yung color na ngayon, yun yung worth it talaga. At saka yung roofing. Pero matagal na yung roofing, hindi ko pa kilala si Tami. But anyway, aalis na naman siya. Ako naman maghugas ng pinggan. Hello guys, umalis na si Tami guys. Kaso, itong ulan, parang man itong baby. Sobrang hina. Parang ano lang ba? Parang mist lang.
Tomorrow for sure.
Good morning! I'm still wearing the same thing. Katatapos ko lang nag-exercise kanina. And then, pagkatapos kong nag-exercise, guys, naglilinis ako, nag-vacuum ako sa rug natin sa living room. And pagkatapos noon, ang ginawa ko, I went outside, pinatindig ko yung cucumber kasi ang daming bunga ng cucumber doon sa pinakalas na, asan ba yun? Asan yun? Asan yung garden ko? Asan yun siya? Yun, yung pinakalas na ano ko is, ano siya, ang daming cucumber, ang dami din, kumakatay na siya, kumakanat na yung ano. And then, pinatindig ko. Yung tomato doon, muntik na siyang matumba. Yung tomato dito, muntik na siyang matumba. And then, pinatindig ko rin siya. Are you gutom? Are you hungry? Hungry, deep, ni mama naman. This is an overload breakfast. Late breakfast. Fried rice and egg and soka. Yun. Do you wanna go up with me? Come here, miss. Misty, come. Come up. Come, let's go up there. Come. Hinihingal ako. Magputol tayo ng ano, mga ito ba? Ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito, yung wax paper. In-order ko to sa Amazon matagal na. And then, ang ginawa ko is, ikakat ko lang siya. Diba? Yun. And then, ito din. Hindi na kailangan maging perfect. So, bago tayo mag-wax, ito na lang, konti na lang yung wax na natira ko. Guys, itry natin itong lipstick na Maybelline. Itong may pagka-purple. Ang shade nito niya is ano, ito yung Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. This is Believer. May pagka-purple siya. And i-mix natin si ano, say the same thing. Ang shade nito is si Roller. Yun. Iuna natin itong si Dark, si Purpley. Hindi ko pa ito masyadong nagamit, guys. Binili ko pero walang magamit. So, ngayon, mag-start tayo mag-lipstick. Let's see. Sa ibabaw natin ilagay. Naglagay din ako ng kaunting ano sa mata, dito. And then yun lang. Darating si Mister paganda tayo. Nagpangbahay lang ako guys kasi dito lang naman talaga ako sa bahay pero gusto ko lang maging maayos konti bago siya darating. And then mag-wax tayo sa kilikili kasi yung buhok is tumaas. Kasi gusto ko talagang mag-wax guys yung kapag yung buhok ng kilikili ko is mataas. Ayaw kong mag-wax ng as in maliit pa siya. Gusto ko yung mataas kasi merong reason yan makuha lahat. And also ang sarap ng feeling guys kapag pag ganun mo ang sarap na feeling. So,
Johnny, girl or boy, you're on speaker. We're about to do the reveal, but I need to do a poll first. Girl or boy?
Tumawag ako, sabi pa niya, umulan naman. After niya daw naligo, pagkatapos daw niya naligo, umulan. So doon, sasabi pa niya, baka mamaya pa siya makauwi. Sabi ko, ako na naman dito mag-isa. Ang hirap sa mundo, palagi na lang akong nag-iisa. Alam niyo guys, update sa guys, mga nangyayari ngayon dito sa US, especially dito sa New York. Nag-slow down yung COVID for, I think, last month or few weeks ago. Nag-slow down yung virus and then lumala. Nung nag-open, I think yun ha. Yun yung nag-open, nag-start opening, di ba? Yung mga salon, yung mga restaurant, pero sa labas ka lang makaupo. So, nag-start yung nag-open few weeks ago. Nung yung virus, guys, as in, gumagrabe sa Florida, sa Texas, gumagrabe sa New York, dito sa amin. Yung parang dumadami yung nagka-virus. Yun, akala namin maging okay na siya. May mga ano pa pala, parang pag ganun yung pawiva. Pababa, pataas, pababa, pataas. And din yung trabaho ni Tami, update. So, ngayon yung trabaho niya is hindi pa talaga. Wala pang update, walang kung kailan mag-open. At saka, yung trabaho niya is mahirap yun mag-open sila kasi diba, mga tao, ganun, mga tao, mga gathering, ganun. Parang yun yung pinaka-last. Kung wala na itong disease na ito, virus na ito, kung wala na to, then sila yung pinaka-last na part kasi mag-open. So, yun. So, wala pang kung makabalik si Tami sa trabaho. Ang daming nag-positive, guys, ngayon sa balita. So, kahapon ba yun or the other day? Napag-usapan namin yun kahapon or the other day na something about kapag dumating yung panahon na wala na siyang trabaho, and then alam nyo yung pangarap ko is magkabahay kami. And then, at the same time, gusto kong magka-RV, gusto kong mag-travel, mga road trip, gusto ko yung mga road trip na yan, with Tami, of course. So, napag-usapan namin, sabi ko sa kanya, I will miss this house, kasi una nating bahay ito, and then, kung darating yung panahon na ganun, na, ibinta natin ito. Dalawa lang yung choices namin, guys. Dalawa lang talaga. Mag-move kami sa ibang state, bibili ng bahay, hindi kalakihan, hindi ganito. Ayaw ko ng ganito kalaki kasi mahirap maglinis, guys, kung mga ganito at saka ikaw lang isa. And then sabi ko sa kanya, so yun siya. And then, at sabi ko sa kanya, pwede man din yun, bibili na lang tayo ng RV, yung sasakyan na mataas. And then, kompleto na, may bed, may kama, may CR, may kitchen, may living room, ganun. Mga kaunting mga kaunting kimbot, parang bahay na. Sabi ko sa kanya, bibili na lang tayo ng ganyan. Yun na lang yung natin. And then, mag-resign ka na din, o mag-retire ka na din. Itong si Tami, ayaw niyang mag-retire pa. Ayaw talaga niya. So, sabi ko sa kanya, yun na lang yung gawin natin. And then, para naman makapag-spend tayo ng time na mag-travel, ganun. Madala pa natin yung mga alaga natin. So yun yung sabi ko sa kanya na pwede yun na lang yung gawin namin. Ibinta namin tong bahay. And then, lang kami ng PO Box kung asan yung umutot talaga si Roxy. Lagot ito si Roxy. Uutot, palaging umutot. Kung darating man yung time, kung darating man yung panahon na ganun, gusto ko, kung mag-transfer kami sa ibang state, gusto ko sa Philadelphia or Maryland. Yun yung ko, Philadelphia or Maryland. And kung hindi naman, gusto ko din yung RV para i-drive na lang, i-park na lang kung yung mga RV park, yung kung saan pwede mag-park. And then, isa na lang yung, sabi ko sa kanya, dapat, kung ganun, ibinta natin yung sasakyan mo, dapat yung puti, maliit, yung natin. Sabi pa niya, bike daw. Ayoko ng bike. So, yun siya, guys. So, yun yung mga update, guys. So, ngayon, kasi sa nangyayari, kasi ngayon, guys, yung COVID, yung hindi natin alam kung kailan ito mawawala, kasi talagang, tumatagal siya ng tumatagal. Parang nakalimutan natin na may COVID pa rin. So, kaya yung mga tao na nakalimutan nila na may COVID, na parang naging careless ba, naging wala ng pakialam. So, Kaya ang daming nagkasakit, ang daming nagka-positive ngayon. Tingnan nyo, takot na takot yun guys sa ano. Kasi may thunder kasi tingnan nyo yung ikog niya. Are you embarrassed now? We wait for Dada. Still not here. Why you're a scary cat? Scary dog, scary cat. Misty's a good girl. Oh, Misty's not afraid of everything. Misty's always a fighter mo na. Oy. Ala, Dada's here. Dada's here. Dada's here. He got me bread. Thank you. He got me bread. Thank you. Shapa. Okay, put it down. No, you squeeze the bread. Oh, cookies. Oh my god. Like we don't have enough cookies. What is that? Why you buy a lot of that? We have a lot. You get eggs. What else you got? More eggs. Offering for your nose.
Well, you like these kind of eggs. I like those kind of eggs.
Okay. Why you got more American cheese? You know you have more American cheese downstairs. Creamer. Okay, this is a. Why you get this one? You don't like this banana milk.
So you wear your party lipstick? What's that? I go away, you get your party lipstick on. I get it.
That lipstick is for you.
Oh yeah. I wasn't here.
You miss me.
Yes, honey. I love you, honey. You know your lipstick is smeared. Who we kissing?
It's smeared?
Smeared.
Holy cow. He just left.
Oh, he's pretty quick.
Is it obvious, son?
Yeah.
Is it smeared?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that guy doesn't even kiss properly.
Yeah, what the hell's wrong with him? Sometimes don't smear your lipstick.
Come here, I miss you. Come.
Now you get a glass, you want to try it?
Banana. You said you are not allowed banana, but you drink banana. It's not sweet, you won't like it.
Banana is not sweet. Oh my.
Don't keep trying different thing and then you wasting it.
Here?
On top, on top.
Well, I guess I got them just in time. You're all out.
Yeah, I got 2 this morning. I get so hungry, I eat fried rice.
I guess Hobbs ain't getting on it.
That's why I'm not mad.
Wow.
That's why I'm not crazy mad. But the problem is you don't get me rice.
Are we all on rice, really?
Yeah, I don't get rice.
Seriously?
Yeah,
That's not a good thing. I thought we had like 8 bags of rice.
eat bad. We have 3 rice for 4 months, honey. Guys, maglinis, sakit yung tiyan ko guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi ko alam kung bakit masakit yung tiyan ko. And, yun, masakit siya. Iin ko na itong vlog. It's almost 9 o'clock na pala. So, yun, last na pala ito. Wala nang laman. Neutrogena, wipes. And, magtanggal tayo ng, kasi nakarating na si Mister. Pero, ay, pagod. Ano ko guys, pagkatapos namin kumain guys, sumakit yung ko, tiyan. Sabi ko, ano ba to? Bakit so? Yes, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching ha. And I appreciate sa time ninyo. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And yan. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na si Tami kasi natutulog. Humihilik na siya. It doesn't blow up. Natutulog na kami guys, pero look. matutulog na kami and then ito yung narinig namin. Alas 10 o'clock something na. Are they still allowed to do that?
Yeah, thankfully no. You know, who's really gonna buy that?
No. Tingnan natin asan si Roxy, guys. Where is she, Han? Where is Roxy? Where is she?
Where are you, puppies?
Hala. Roxy, look, she hide over there. Look, tiny in the laundry.
Come on, puppy.
Come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come, night na. Night. Come, let's go. Come here. Natakot. Kawawa, natakot. Are you afraid? You're so nervous. Are you nervous? Go up with Dada. Yeah, go up now. Let's go up. Night. Okay, guys. Good night, guys.
No, Roxy.